Samsung the unveiling the latest Galaxy A57. In terms of design, Samsung Galaxy A57 has a very premium and attractive body. The Samsung Galaxy A57 powered by Exynos chipset and phone has an octa-core processor. The display will be Super AMOLED and 120Hz refresh rate. It coming with Android 16 operating system. Smartphone will come with triple camera system. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and 5 megapixel macro sensors. It supports 12 GB of RAM. Due to its 256 GB of internal memory, smartphone has an under-display optical fingerprint reader. Battery will be 5000 mAh with 45-hour rapid charging support. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.